The summary report could be your go-to. If you're not going to do anything else, use that. If you draft an application, run the report, look over it, and make sure there's nothing there that doesn't cause tremendous concern for you, because usually you will find things that you just can't see with the naked eye. Humans are really good at digesting some kinds of information, and machines are very good at finding inconsistencies, particularly as across very large documents. So definitely remember the summary report. We know we get a tremendous amount of usage out of that. The next item we looked at was check claims. One of the things to note that I think is pretty interesting that we did with check claims, and we don't talk about it a lot, but you have an ability, if you find that there is an unsupported element, right? You don't have any support being indicated in Patent Optimizer for a particular claim element, you can actually go in and right-click in the interface and check claims and look to see if you have conceptual support. So even though the wording may be different, you'll be able to see something within your specification that maps to that element. So that can be helpful. It shows you where you actually had support for something that you're arguing, or maybe you have an argument against you that there isn't support, et cetera. So it's a fairly useful feature. We don't talk about it a lot, but it's something to be aware of, that it's there. And check parts, as you saw with Dave, we can look at all the recitations specifically as across your document, how your parts have been labeled, how they've been numbered, but we can relate those back to the drawings, so you can check as against the drawings and ensure that you got things right. In that way, with check references, we went through that fairly quickly as well. But keep in mind that any document that's presented to you, or any list of citations, you can run through check references. So if you have a 100-page document, within that document there are multiple patent citations, you can run check references against that document. And these can be different types of documents: Word documents, Excel documents, PDFs, etc., Office actions, as you saw within our tool. We enable you to extract out the citations. We give you bibliographic information, assignment information, post-issuance data, etc. So remember, anytime you have a document containing cites and you want to do something with those cites really quickly, you can run check references.